Now, Lalpur won, Jaipur adopted. That was day one. Now, stage is set for day two of Modi's Varanasi visit to unfold. And today, he is scheduled to unveil a statue of Swami Vivekanand, whom he has always held as his icon at Vijayanagaram Tiraha in the city. He is also likely to visit a hospital situated inside the ashram set up by followers of spiritual leader Sri Anand Mehma.
Of all the virtues of the city of Banaras, cleanliness is not quite one of its biggest. At Assi Ghat, where the Prime Minister will launch the Clean India campaign, the Swachh Bharat campaign, massive security right now in place. Overnight, we were here just about yesterday. Overnight, you can see right here, all these tractors have come in, the entire ghat, all the garbage, this entire area had a heap of garbage when we saw yesterday. All of that practically cleaned out overnight to receive the Prime Minister. Well, this is where the Prime Minister will come, launch the Clean India campaign. He is the Member of Parliament from the constituency of Banaras, and this is where he will start the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. A small havan will be taking place right there, and then he would try and invoke the pride in the residents of Banaras, in the residents of Varanasi, to start cleaning their city, take ownership of their city. Interestingly, this was not a scheduled part of his itinerary. It was a last-minute addition, and it's completely thrown security off in a tizzy. What thousands of security personnel. Each of the temples at the ghat being marked by security personnel. I'll ask my camera person, Waqar, to actually show you. Right there, security persons marking each of these houses, the small houses. There are lots of hotels here. Most of these buildings that you can see are all hotels. Now, the residents in these hotels have been told to just stay indoors. Most of them wanted to go out, explore Banaras in the morning. Well, that's not happening. What they can do is maybe get a small glimpse of the Prime Minister. Even that, most have been told not to, just to sit indoors and wait for this function to get over. On the other side, it is quite a logistical nightmare for the security agencies. There's a 4-tier security ring around the Prime Minister, and you can see the entire Ganga has been sanitized where security at least is concerned. There are boats marking the entire area. At least a 200-meter diameter has been marked, and no other vessel or a boat is allowed to come in there. You can see the SPG right now trying to figure out exactly what the route of the Prime Minister would be when he comes in. They don't want him to go anywhere else, but come in, go right up to the Havan Kund right there, and then what if he wants to talk, he can maybe meet people around, but they don't want him to do that. We were just speaking to them, and they quite sure that this is not going to be as easy as planned. On the other side itself, you can see another 200 meters from there, completely sanitized security-wise. Well, quite a logistical nightmare for security agencies, but he is the Member of Parliament from the city of Banaras, the city of Varanasi, and the poster child, the man who started the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the Clean India campaign. We'll keep tracking details. Do stay with us. Reporting with camera person Waqar, Preeti Chaudhary for Headlines Today.
All right, in fact, Preeti is joining me live right now, tracking all the developments. Preeti, it was a hectic day one for the Prime Minister, and you sent us a detailed report on the kind of security arrangements at the ghat over there. Give us a sense of what else is on Prime Minister's agenda.
Well, it was a 24-hour visit, Sana, which started yesterday, and to quickly apprise our viewers of the very latest, Assi Ghat today morning, where the Prime Minister, he is the Member of Parliament here, and he will initiate the Swachh Bharat campaign, the Clean India campaign in Banaras from here. Now, it wasn't a part of his scheduled itinerary, so it's been an addition, but there's something which has been taken off the itinerary. He will not be unveiling the statue of Swami Vivekanand, so that's off the itinerary. There are some Supreme Court regulations on how, certain rules and regulations need to follow before you put a statue of any personality at a public place, and those formalities were not completed earlier. So that's off the agenda. What we are expecting right now is just about in the next 15 to 20 minutes, the Prime Minister would be coming in at Assi Ghat and launch the Clean India campaign. Now, whoever has been to the city of Banaras knows quite well that cleanliness is not one of its biggest virtues, and that is what is playing out here. Overnight, this place was sanitized in terms of right behind me was a huge garbage dump, and you can see with the help of all those tractors there, they've been at it through the course of the night because this wasn't planned. And so they didn't quite know that they had to do this. So overnight, the BJP cadre alongside the civic authorities of the city all came here at night and started cleaning the place. You can see the workers here, all of them sitting. Most of them have been here for the past 7 to 8 hours through the course of the night, and they've stuck back because they want to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister. Security wise, a logistical nightmare. All of this is what you see on your left hand side. This is the Assi Ghat. Now what you see is most of these are hotel buildings, some of them are temples. It's impossible to get people to stay indoors. Marking each one of those windows is the local police. It's a 4-tier security ring thrown around the Prime Minister. We're talking about the SPG, we're talking about para commandos. The ATS was here to sanitize the area, and then of course the state police. A 200-meter diameter right behind me. Each of those small vessels have been marked by the SPG and security personnel. So we'll keep reporting the very latest that's emanating from the Assi Ghat. It's back to the studio. Over to Sana.
Thanks, Preeti.